बात करें कश्मीर फाइल्स पर एक बार फिर से मचे बवाल की, जहां विभिन्न कश्मीरी पंडित संगठनों और कार्यकर्ताओं ने ज्यूरी इंटरनेशनल फिल्म फेस्टिवल ऑफ इंडिया के अध्यक्ष और इजरायली फिल्म निर्माता नदव लापिद की आलोचना की है। रूट्स इन कश्मीर संगठन के नेता अमित रैना ने कहा कि नदव लापिद को इस फिल्म के बारे में ऐसा बयान देने का कोई अधिकार नहीं है। इजरायली फिल्म निर्माता नदव लापिद ने फिल्म द कश्मीर फाइल्स को एक प्रोपेगेंडा और बेहुदा करार दिया था। वहीं भारत में इजरायली राजदूत ने कहा कि कश्मीर फाइल्स को लेकर इजरायली निदेशक का बयान उनकी निजी राय है, हमारी स्थिति अलग है।
I enjoyed yesterday evening, most of the evening, very much in Goa because it was a very positive, I think, demonstration of the wonderful relations between India and Israel. Minister Taku we had there was praising our cooperation. We had the Fauda people there. And everyone was very happy. I think that one private person with his own opinion shouldn't change anything here. And that's what I was trying to tell, that the relations are much stronger than this individual, another individual. Each one is entitled to his own opinion. My opinion is obviously different. I'm very happy in India. I think that the relations will continue regardless of this or another individual. And we will continue to celebrate our cooperation and our culture closeness and our unity rather than focusing on disturbing noises.
मुंबई में इजराइल के राजदूत कोबी शोशानी ने अनुपम खेर से मुलाकात की। इस मौके पर दोनों ने मीडिया से इजरायली डायरेक्टर द्वारा फिल्म द कश्मीर फाइल्स को लेकर दिए गए बयान के बारे में बात की।
And I felt after I was in Goa last night and I've heard this speech which we don't accept, none whatsoever. The first person to call, and I did it right away in the morning, to call Anupam Kher, my friend, and just to apologize. To apologize about speech that was a private opinion, maybe with some European juries, but nothing to do with the state of Israel, officially and unofficially. I tweeted, I sent some clips that I had with Pallavi and Pallavi Joshi and Vivek, the director of the Kashmir file, that I did a year ago. And I want to make in a very clear voice that I'm a diplomat, I cannot intervene in internal Indian discussion. But definitely, I want to say that it's not a propaganda. Definitely, I would like to say that it was very strong film and give the place to the people who suffer in Kashmir. I know that Anupam Kher, his family came from Kashmir, and it's also connected to this issue.
So I feel that in every country which has a freedom of speech, there are people who think they will use a platform like this. If he himself does not like a film, you are most welcome to say it. But if you are the jury member, you cannot use the word vulgar propaganda. I think it's a vulgar remark by that person, and who himself is vulgar and who himself is an opportunist who used this platform to put forth his propaganda or whatever he believes in. The world has identified with the film, and the pain and the problem of Kashmiri Pandits have been going on for the last 32 years. But in answer to your question, it has strengthened the ties. Because when somebody opposes certain things, you discover how together the two countries are. For the amazing, very brilliant gesture by Council General to have come here proves that this is a relationship, and it is a relationship of pain. Because both the countries have suffered exodus and